One waiting a fall meadow finds on all sides the Queen Anne's lace lying like lilies. On water it glides, so from the walker it turns dry grass to a lake, as the slightest shade of you valleys my mind in fabulous blue lucerne. The beautiful changes as a forest is changed by a chameleon's turning his skin to it, as a mantis, arranged on a green leaf, grows into it, makes the leaf leafier, and proves any greenness is deeper than anyone knows. Your hands hold roses always, in a way that says they are not only yours. The beautiful changes in such kind ways, wishing ever to sunder things and things selves for a second finding, to lose for a moment all that it touches, back to wonder. So at the Poetry Festival, we'll be meeting at the large stone ring that is right there on the lake. And there will be different writing stations set up and different activities at each station, and volunteers there to direct each activity. One of the stations will be a poetry loom, which is exactly what it sounds like, except instead of weaving strips of cloth into the loom, we're actually going to be weaving strips of poetry along with pieces of yarn and sticks and grasses, and this loom will then be left out in the gardens for the winter in order for the birds to take the materials and make their winter nests with. We'll also have a station for practicing haiku, which is an abbreviated form of poetry. It's just 3 lines long. And we'll also be practicing flash fiction, which, if you are not familiar, is fiction that's told in a flash. It's a short little story that is written in sometimes 100 words or less, and yet still has a complete plot line. So those are just some of the things we'll be doing.